Hello guys, it's me, MLB Shrugs Kitty here, and today I was at the arcade, and, I was at Airbound, Rock and Jump, that's what the name is, and I was getting a lot of stuff. I got me like a safe, mini safe thing, I got like some slime and stuff. I could go and show you what guys got, and I'm going to save the best thing for last. I'll be back. So yeah, I got these two little wristbands because when we got like over 2,000 tickets. Me and my friend I got these two little wristbands. That was when I only got 10 tickets left. So that means we spent all of them. Got this slime with an alien in it. See that? It's really cool. Yeah, we got some invisible ink. I'm gonna try this out. Disappearing ink. I'm gonna get it on my Machado jersey. Oh, I got some on me. I got some on me. Okay. She's on. Okay.
Alright, what is it? Hey. Oh! More? Get us all about a clean white shirt.
Yep. Got some of my Machado jersey too. Okay. Okay. Let's go. So we got him. Maybe later I'll get my mama because she's on the phone right now. And I don't think this is coming off my Machado jersey. I don't know. Let's say the weight. Yeah, it's still wet, so yeah. Got this mini basketball hoop. I'm gonna rip this thing open. It's super tiny. Like, really. Look at it. This is the basketball goal. Oh my gosh. And look at this basketball. I could like dunk on this thing all day. Magic shoot. Wow. I go like boom, dunked on, like, yeah. I'm gonna put this all the way up there. So let's see if I can make it. I'm gonna move the camera to the here. See the basketball goal? Yeah. I'm gonna put this. I need a stool so I can get up there. Okay. Good. Here we go. So you can barely see that small one. See if I can make it into the small one. That small one is like super hard. You have to like get it all the way up there perfectly. What if I shot it from back there? This ball is like wood. So yeah. Guys, I made that. I don't know if you could see it, but I made that. So that's pretty cool, yeah. I like that. Now I'm going to put this back down here, and I'm going to show you something else. This is a safe I got. I can't show you guys what the code is. Well, I could, but I don't want someone like my neighbors or something to know because some of them are subscribed to me. I wouldn't want them to know. But I'm going to put the invisible ink in it and this in it. And I want to try to see if they can open it. I'm also going to put these in it. So, and I'm going to lock it. Come on. There we go. Now, let's see if someone can open it. Without looking at the password on the bottom.
Because they should be condemned totally. But you
I'm gonna. Okay, Daddy. Do you think you could?
Well, I really need to talk to Mum, okay?
Okay.
My doctor just called and said he's going to see us.
So I'll go ask out my sister if she can open it. Alex, can you open my safe? Can you open it?
Maybe.
Don't look at the bottom. So that has the code to it.
Well, that's how you're supposed to open it.
Well, do you think you could open it without?
Well, which way are you supposed to turn it?
It's a small number, then a bigger number. What was it?
812.
That's not what it was.
Toilet open.
Well, somehow she got it open with the wrong code. No, like, literally, that's not it. Let's see if I'll get it open with 812. So I gotta turn it all the way. Let's see now. Let's go 8, then 12. Oh, because it locks on her. And she just was turning it, and yeah. Yeah, it doesn't open like that. It opens with the other way. So yeah, now for the best part of the video. I also got something for 600 tickets. Come on. Well, this. It's a monkey gumball machine. It's a monkey. Oh, it doesn't come with gumballs, but there we go. I'm gonna actually fill it with Airhead bites. I'm gonna fill it with M&Ms, but I suppose that those would probably melt. But I don't think these will get out of my room, Ash. Okay, so that was just the dog. Sorry, guys, if you really like dogs. It's just I don't want him messing up the recording and stuff. And yeah. So guys, leave 5 likes on this video if you want to see me do other stuff with this gumball machine. Comment what I should put in it. But look at the thing that it comes out. My thumb can fit in it. That's it. Y'all can't see it. Let's see. I'll get like a flashlight maybe. I don't know. It's just small. It's only about like not even an inch. Probably about 2 centimeters big. So yeah. Oh, you can see it. Yeah, right here. So yeah, small. So I'm gonna open up these Airhead bites, and we're gonna get into this. This is probably gonna be the best part of the video. And I know, guys, on my other channel called Golden Fists, I'm uploading some videos. Pool ball. I'm doing pool ball at my friend's pool. We're doing some trick shots in the pool with a basketball goal, and it was insane. We pulled off something amazing. Well, I think it's amazing. It took us, so we did it the first 2 tries, but we weren't recording on the first try that we did it because it was a practice, and we did it first try, and then on the second try we were recording, but we forgot to hit the record button. So, yeah. Oh, okay. Well, gotta put them in the head. Oh, these smell good. Put them in. This is like awesome. I opened it way too much to like dump them in. So I gotta use some handheld to put them in. That's probably not like a good correct way to do it, but okay. They're still in the bag. They haven't hit the ground yet. So just get them out. Wait, actually, let's try this. See how it works. I'm gonna pour some back in there, so we can just test it out, see if it works. Trying to get it in without spilling them. So we put in the money, then, oh, that works, all right. Then we got us some nice Airhead bites. And I'm just probably gonna put them back in. Like, we can do it with like my daddy, because we're gonna do it, because we planned this video, not like the ink stuff. He didn't know I was gonna do that. I thought about that when I saw that I could record for 46 minutes, but that's not how long this video is gonna be, I promise you. Free Airhead bites in this. I'm like gonna be giving out like free Airhead bites to like people around the house. No, 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 do not come in. I really do not like that dog in my room. I don't know if it'll hold all of them. Okay, they went in. See, I think it will. An empty bag of Airhead bites. See? I'm gonna put them in. Oh, there's still a couple in here. So now, see if I can do this, because if I spill it, that's not gonna be good. Yeah. We have a good Gumball machine. It's like right, it's like that's how small the whole front is. You guys want to try out my Gumball machine?
Does it work, bud?
Yep. Alright.
This is Charles' new gumball machine. Let's see how it works. It doesn't.
Yeah, it does. I tried it.
What you got in there?
Airhead bites.
Oh, okay.
So yes, it does work.
All right, take it away. I'm ready for some food.
See, there's the whole
What?
how small it is.
Cooper wants to remove all Confederate statues from state property.
Mama, you want to try it?
No, thanks. Oh, okay.
You just got yourself an Airhead bites. So that's how. So it does work. And yeah, I did get one more thing, but I don't know if I forgot to get it, so I don't. I'm gonna show. I want to try this out of my room. Wait, what? What? He was in my room. So good. So, little gumball machine. But right now it's an airhead machine. So, if you guys like this video, I'm gonna go to that last thing. It's this like bullet thing. So you launch it up and you shoot it. Let's see if I can make it in the basketball goal. Ooh, it would have to like go in perfectly like that for it to go through both of them. So I don't know if that's gonna happen unless all of a sudden it just happens. I'll zoom in for you guys. Or not. I guess I won't. I think 30 minutes of recording left. Let's just see if I can make it in the big basketball goal. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, you guys can't see. There you go. Okay. I don't know if I can. Me and my friend, I don't know if he's been on here, on this channel, but I don't know. Oh, and on my Golden Fist channel, I said I was going to show you guys how to hack this machine at Airbound, but they didn't have the right kind of machine, so we couldn't do it. So hopefully nobody gets mad about my Golden Fist account being like that. Guys, let's show you the gumball machine one last time from one last angle. You guys just saw how small the thing was, so here, the airhead bike could barely fit in it. If you want me to fill this thing up with something else, leave it in the comment section. I'll probably do it. So I'm just sitting here in the chair gaming. It's a little monkey. So, I don't know what to say. I guess like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy this video. And once I hit 50 subscribers, I'm probably going to make MLB Charles K t-shirts. I'm probably going to buy 2. One for me and one I'm going to give out to one random subscriber that comments, I subscribed t-shirt, please. And the winner will get a free MLB Charles K t-shirt. And it can be someone that's been on my videos and stuff like that. Like maybe Blaze or Riley or something. Or Andrew. So, yeah. And some of you guys in the comment section below. Yeah. Please like, comment, subscribe. And see you guys later. Goodbye.